So you've heard about this whole AI consulting world, and you're thinking, how do I even get started with this? Do I need to be a tech wizard? Do I have to code? Well, let me tell you this, I was right where you are, and today I'm going to give you the no-nonsense roadmap to breaking into AI implementation consulting. Even if you don't know a single line of code, by the end of this video you will know exactly what you need to get started and the skills you will need and the steps to start landing your first clients. Alright, so let's get into it. AI implementation consulting is all about helping businesses understand and use AI tools that actually make a difference. You are not there to build the next Siri or self-driving cars. Instead, you are there to advise companies on which AI solutions fit their need and then help them put those tools to work. Think of it like being a guide. You are showing them how to get from point A, where they are right now, to point B, a place where AI makes their life easier and their business smarter. That could mean recommending tools for automating customer support, optimizing their inventory, or even helping them analyze customer data to understand who buys what and why. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding genius to do all of this. So let's talk skills. If you're sitting there thinking, but I don't know how to code, you are good. Don't worry about that. Here is what you actually need. The first thing you need is business sense. You have to understand the basics of business, how companies make money, what drives efficiency, and where AI can make an impact. Think of yourself as a translator who speaks both business and tech, bridging the gap between AI tools and real-world business needs. The second skill you will need is communication. A huge part of this job is breaking down complex concepts into simple, relatable terms. If you can explain how Netflix suggests movies to your mom, you are halfway there. AI doesn't have to be intimidating. It's all about making it click for your clients. The last skill you will need is curiosity and adaptability. The field of AI is constantly evolving. You don't need to know everything, but you have to stay curious. If a new tool or technology comes out, you need to know enough to figure out if it's relevant for your clients or not. So let's dig even deeper. Step 1, start learning the basics. Now, I'm not saying go and sign up for a master's degree in AI, but you need to get comfortable with terms like machine learning, predictive analytics, and automation. YouTube, free online courses, or articles, just dive into the basics. You will be surprised how quickly you start to understand the language of AI. Step 2, build a portfolio with simple projects. You don't need a fancy resume. Start with small projects. Maybe a local business that needs help understanding their customer data. Or maybe your friend with an online store needs help improving their ad targeting. Document these projects, even if they are unpaid. It shows that you are serious and you are getting hands-on experience, and this is very, very important for clients. Step 3, network and connect. AI consulting is a relationship game. Start attending webinars, join online communities, and connect with professionals in LinkedIn, for example. Let people know you are really interested in AI implementation consulting. Sometimes it's just one connection that opens the door to your first real project. So let's clear up a few myths. One big misconception is that you need to be a tech expert. You don't. Your strength is your ability to understand the client's needs and recommend the right tools for them. Another challenge, expect clients to have unrealistic expectations about what AI can do. They might think that it's some kind of a magic fix. So part of your job is managing those expectations. I've had clients who thought AI would solve all of their problems in 1 week. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work like that. But with patience and good communication, you can get them to see the real value of what AI can do to their business. So there you have it, your beginner's guide to breaking into the AI implementation consulting world. I want you to take one thing from this video, which is it's not about knowing everything. It's about knowing enough to make an impact and knowing how to connect with people. If you are ready To start building your consulting career, start with those small, simple steps. Get comfortable with the basics and focus on the business side of things. You will be way ahead of the game. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.